பிறர் தரவாராயனும் நன்மொழியே நம் பொன்மொழிய.
Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss about 7th standard math measurement circle. You know already circle. This is center point. Center point. Now this is diameter. The center to circumference, that is radius, or the circumference any 2 point touch the circumference, that is chord. Now radius means what? The distance from the center of the circle, to its outer rim. The distance from the center of the circle, its outer rim, that is called a radius. Now diameter denoted by D. Let us denoted by D. The chord that passes through the center of the circle. It is called a diameter. Now chord means a line segment whose end point are on the circle. That is called a chord. Now circumference of the circle. Circumference. Circumference of the circle. The circumference of the circle, the circumference, that is circumference of the circle. The circumference of the circle, that is circumference of the circle. The formula circumference of the circle equal to circumference of the circle C equal to 2πr. The C means circumference of the circle. 2 is 2 constant value. Pi is constant. Pi value. That is pi that is constant. 22 divided by 7, or value 3.14. The pi value 22 divided by 7, or 3.14. 22 divided by 7, answer is 3.14. Now R means radius. R equal to radius. R equal to radius. C equal to circumference of circle. 2 constant. Pi value 22 divided by 7. R value radius. That is radius given called the circumference of circle. So the diameter given, one more formula also. C equal to 5D. C equal to 5D. D means what? Diameter. D means what? Diameter. D means diameter. The D means diameter. The diameter is twice the radius. The diameter is D. Diameter is twice the radius. twice the radius. The diameter is twice the radius. D equal to 2r. D equal to 2r. Sir, now r equal to what, sir? R equal to d by 2. D by 2. The diameter equal to 2r. R equal to d by 2. This is radius. This is diameter. The diameter is twice the radius. Diameter is twice the radius. Diameter is twice the radius. The circumference only one formula. The circumference of the circle equal to C equal to 2 pi r. This is only one formula. One more formula what? Diameter given. One more formula. C equal to pi d. C equal to pi d. C equal to pi d. Now the first exercise is the first example question. First example question. Example number 2.1. Then example number 2.1. Calculate the first number. Calculate the circumference of the bangle. Circumference of the bangle. So the figure. So the figure, that is bangles. The bangles. How many centimeter given? 6 centimeter given. The 6 centimeter given. The calculate the circumference of the bangle shown in the figure. Shown in the figure. Now the diagram one. That what will given value what? Diameter given. Answer is given what? The diameter equal to. Now diameter given value. Given value d equal to 6 centimeter given. The d equal to 6 centimeter given. Now calculate the circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle or circumference of the bangle. Circumference of the bangle. Now circumference of the bangle equal to circumference of the bangle equal to formula what? 2 pi r. 2 pi r. One more formula there. Pi d. Now given value diameter given. Your diameter turn into radius. That also correct. Otherwise direct formula also correct. The circumference of the bangle is equal to pi d unit. You already know very well pi value. Pi equal to 2 value 22 divided by 7 or 3.14. Even the concept is one. Use pi value given question 1.4. You use pi equal to 1.4. Now answer is what? Pi equal to 1.4 in the diameter equal to 6. Diameter equal to 6 centimeter. Diameter equal to 6 centimeter. Now you multiply 6 fours are 24. Remaining 2. 6 ones are 6 plus 2 8. Now remaining 0. 3 6 are 18. Now how many digit people by 2 digit people answer 18.84 centimeter. The circumference of the bangle is equal to 18.84 centimeter. 84 centimeter. Now question number next Example number 2.2. The example number 2.2. The example number 2.2. What is the circumference of the circle? What is the circumference of the circle circular disc of the radius is 14 centimeter. Now what is the circumference of the circular disc of radius 14 centimeter? Now what is the circumference of the circular? The given value or given r equal to 14 centimeter. The radius given. Find out the circumference of the circle. The circumference of the circle equal to c divided by c. C equal to 2 pi r. Now given question the pi value 22 by 7. Use the 22 by 7. Now 2 into pi value 22 by 7 into 14 centimeter. Now 1 7 are 7, 2 7 are answer. 22 into 22 into 2 centimeter. 2 into 22 44 into 2 88 centimeter. The circumference of the circle equal to 88 centimeter. 88 centimeter. Now exercise number 3. Example number 3. Example number 2.3. If the circular circumference of the circle is 132 meter. Then calculate the radius and diameter. Now phi equal to 22 divided by 7. Phi equal to 22 by 7. Use the pi value 22 divided by 7. Now solution. Now you read first question. If the circumference of the circle is 132 meter. Now then calculate the radius and diameter. Now the circumference of the circle equal to circumference of the circle equal to 132 meter. Now circumference of the circle formula 2 pi r equal to 132. Now 2 into pi value 22 divided by 7 into r equal to 132. Now you multiply or otherwise r equal to 132 into divided goes to the side multiply divided by divided 22. Now second table 1 2s are 2, 6 2s are 12, remaining 1, 12, 6 2s are Next, second double. 11 twos are 22. 3 twos are 3 twos are. Now 11 11. 1 11s are 11. 3 11s are. Answer R equal to 3 into 7. R equal to 21 meter. R equal to 21 meter. R equal to 21 meter. Now radius find out. Calculate. Next, the diameter. The diameter equal to what? Diameter. Diameter is the twice the radius. Twice the radius. Now D equal to 2R. Now D equal to 2 into 21, 42 centimeter. 42 meter. The diameter equal to 42 meter. Radius equal to 21 meter. Next question. Exam number 2.4. What is the distance traveled by the tip of the second hand of the clock in 1 minute? If the length of the hand is 56 millimeter. 56 millimeter. Now one more time read question. What is the distance traveled by the tip of the second hand of the clock in 1 minute? If the length of the hand is 56 millimeter, then use the pi value 22 by 7. 22 by 7. Now, here the distance traveled by the tip of the second hand of the clock in 1 minute. 1 minute is the circumference of the circle, and the second hand is the radius of the circle. The second hand is radius of the circle. Here, the distance traveled by the tip of the second hand of the clock in 1 minute. 1 minute is the circumference of the circle. The circumference of the circle equal to C. Circumference of the circle, and length of the radius. The length of the second hand. Length of the second hand is the radius of the circle. Radius of the circle equal to R. Now solution. Now circumference. Now solution. Now circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle equal to 2 pi R. Now 2 into 5 and 22 divided by 7. The R value is what? 56 centimeter. 56 centimeter. 1 7s are 7. 1 7s are 7. How many 7s are 56? 8 7s are 56. Now 2 into 22 into 8. 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 Now you multiply 42 into 44 into 8. 2 into 44. Now answer, you multiply 8 into 4, 32, remaining 3, 32, 35, 352 centimeter. The circumference of the circle equal to 352 millimeter. Given value millimeter. Now the final answer is what? The final answer, the distance traveled. Therefore the distance traveled by the tip of the second hand of the clock in 352 millimeter. 352 millimeter. Now, therefore, the distance traveled by the tip of second hand of the clock in minute is 352 millimeter. 352 millimeter. Next question, example number 2.5. Example number 2.5. Now, question read first. The radius of the tractor wheel is 77 centimeter. Calculate the distance covered by it in 35 seconds. 35 seconds. The tractor wheel, the radius of the tractor wheel is 77 centimeter. Calculate the distance covered it in 35 seconds. 35 seconds. 35 seconds. Now, the distance covered in 1 second. Sir, one rotation. The distance, the solution, the distance, actually, now, first one rotation given, and 35 rotation how much? 35 rotation how much? Now, the distance covered in one rotation equal to the circumference of the circle circumference of the circumference the distance covered in one rotation equal to circumference of the circle. Now, circumference of the circle equal to 2πr. Now, 2 into 22 divided by 7 into 35. 77 centimeter. Now, 1 7 are 7. Now, 2 into 22 into 11 centimeter. You multiply 22 into 2, 4 into 11, 4, 8, 4. Now, 484 centimeter. 480 centimeter. Now, the distance covered in one rotation 484. Now, how many rotations? 35 rotations. How much? 35. Now, the distance covered in 35 rotations. The distance covered in 35 rotation equal to 4 into 35. You multiply 84 into 35. Now 0 remaining 2 40 42 remaining 4 20 24. Now 12 remaining 1 24 25 remaining 2 12 40. Now 0 4 9 6 1. Answer 16,440 millimeter. That is answer. Okay, next question. Example number 2.6. Example 2.6. A farmer want to fancy his circular poultry farm with border wire whose radius is 420 meter. The cost of fencing is rupees 12 per meter. How he has rupees 30,000 with him. How much amount will be needed to fancy his farm? Use pi equal to 22 by 7. Pi equal to 20. The given value, what was given? A farmer want to fancy his circular poultry farm with border wire whose radius is 420 meters. The radius given. Find the circumference of the circle. Find the circumference of the circle. Now, the length of the border wire for fencing the poultry farm is equal to circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle. Which one is equal? The circumference of the circle is equal which one? The length of the border wire for fencing of the poultry farm. Both are equal. Now the radius given value radius equal to 420 meter. The which one radius? The radius of the poultry farm. The radius equal to 420 meter. Circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle. The circle equal to 2 into 5 and 22 divided by 7 into 420 meter. Now 1 7 are 7, 6 7 are 42, 0. Now 2 into 22 into 60 meter. Now 2 into 44 into 60. You multiply 0, 24, remaining 2, 24, 26. Now answer 2640 meter. Circles of the circle are always ordered. The length of the border wire, length of the length of the border wire, the wire of the poultry farm, wire of the poultry farm equal to 260 2640 meter. 2640 meter. Now, the cost of fencing per meter. The cost of fencing per meter. How much rupees? The cost of fencing per meter. Cost of fencing per meter. 12 rupees. 1 meter is 12 rupees. The cost of. Now, next step. The cost of fencing 1 meter is 12 rupees means the cost of fencing 2640 meter equal to the cost of fencing 2640 meter equal to 2640 into 12 rupees. 12 rupees. You multiply to 2640 into 12. 0, 8, 12, 5. Now 0, 4, 6, 2 answer 0, 8, 6, 11, 1, 3. Now rupees 31,680. 680. The cost of fencing is for 2640 meter. Now, he has rupees 30,000 with him. How much amount will be needed to fancy his farm? Now, what is the excess amount required? Therefore, the excess amount required how much? Rupees 31,680 minus rupees 30,000. Answer rupees 1,680 1680 rupees. 1680 rupees required. The excess amount required 1680 rupees. 80 rupees. Next question. Example number 2.8. The corner divided a circular disc of radius 14 centimeter in 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts. What is the perimeter of the quadrant shaped disc? Quadrant shaped disc use pi equal to 22 by 7. 22 by 7. Now the radius equal to already given. Now radius given value. The radius equal to 14 centimeter. Now that is circle. The circle how many equal part? 4 equal part. That is one quadrant. 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. 4 equal quadrant. 4 equal quadrant. Now the circumference of the circle. The circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle equal to 2πr. The circumference of the circle equal to 2πr. Now the circumference of the circle equal to 2πr. Now answer is circumference of the circle, the quadrant, the circumference of the quadrant r. Circumference of the quadrant. Circumference of the quadrant r 1 by 4 into 2πr. Now 1 2s are 2 2s are 1 1 2s are 1 2 2s are 4. Now 5r divided by 2. 5r divided by, substitute the value. 5 value 22 divided by 7 into r value 14 divided by 2. Now answer 22. 1 7 7. Now 2 7 7. Now answer 22 into 2 divided by 2. 1 2 are 2, 2 2 are. Answer 22. This how many is there? 22. This is 22 centimeter. 22 centimeter. Now 22 circumference of the 22. How many now perimeter? What is the perimeter of the quadrant of the disc? How many 4 disc? How many disc? 4 disc. How many disc? 4 disc. Now answer 4 disc. 4. The perimeter of the quadrant of the disc. Therefore the perimeter of the quadrant shaped disc equal to how many disc? 4 disc. 22 4 disc. Yes or no? How many disc? One radius 22 centimeter disc. Now answer is what? 14 and one more 22. Now how many disc? This is 14. The perimeter of the 400 say disc to the the perimeter of the quadrant shaped disc equal to now radius. Now 2 radius cancel. 14 plus 22. Answer 50. Answer 50 centimeter, 50 centimeter, 50 centimeter. The perimeter of the quadrant served is equal to 14 plus 22 answer 50 centimeter, 50 centimeter.